Could the future of manufacturing be sitting on your desktop? Imagine a world where creating a new body organ, a personalized pill, or even a smart biodegradable material is as easy as hitting print. Welcome to the revolutionary world of 3D printing. Kickstarting this journey, delve into the realm of medicine. The Wake Forest Institute for Regenerative Medicine in North Carolina has been pioneering in 3D bioprinting. They've been successful in printing human organs like bladders and kidneys using a patient's own cells. This eliminates the risk of organ rejection, a significant issue in organ transplants. With this technology, imagine a world where organ donor lists become obsolete and the waiting time for life-saving organs diminishes. This isn't a far-fetched dream, but a foreseeable future. Switching gears, 3D printing also offers promising prospects in the field of personalized medicine. Aprecia Pharmaceuticals brought to market the first 3D printed drug, Spreedum, for epilepsy. This pill is designed to dissolve instantly with a sip of liquid, making it easier for patients who struggle with swallowing pills. The flexibility of 3D printing allows for customization of dosage, size, and shape of the pill, tailoring it to individual patient needs. Now imagine not just personalized medicine, but medicine that can be printed right at the local pharmacy or even at home. 3D printing is not only revolutionizing medicine, but also transforming industries. Take, for instance, the case of BMW. They've incorporated 3D printing in their manufacturing process to create parts that are lighter, stronger, and more efficient. This has resulted in vehicles that are not only more fuel efficient, but also perform better. Furthermore, the fashion industry is not left behind. Adidas, in collaboration with Carbon, produced the Futurecraft 4D shoes with midsoles 3D printed from light and oxygen. This technology allows for the creation of intricate designs that are impossible with traditional manufacturing methods, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. Now consider the environmental implications. 3D printing has the potential to create smart and biodegradable materials. A company named Polymaker has developed a new 3D printing filament that is not only robust, but also completely biodegradable. This could drastically reduce the environmental footprint of manufacturing. In summary, 3D printing is disrupting conventional manufacturing, transforming medicine by enabling the creation of bioprinted organs and personalized pills. It's revolutionizing industries by creating efficient parts and innovative designs. And importantly, it's paving the way for a more sustainable future with the creation of smart and biodegradable materials. The future of 3D printing is not just about creating objects, it's about enhancing lives, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and shaping the future. And the most exciting part? This is just the beginning.